They knew they were supposed to identify as police, or knew they were not supposed to identify as police, but they say they were forced to anyway.
Yeah, that is the message from former and even current security guards working for Solaren Risk Management across downtown Nashville. Those messages came during a hearing just this morning.
News Channel 5 Investigates reporter Levi Ismail has been following this issue for years. You've been following these complaints as people posing as police.
You know, of the security guards that testified this morning, I remember maybe one or two who tried to justify wearing a police patch, even though they had no law enforcement powers. Everyone else said they felt uncomfortable identifying as police, but were forced to do so. Some said that they told Solaren managers that they were either retired law enforcement or had some sort of law enforcement experience, and that's what was used to justify wearing a police patch. In some cases, these were guards who were never served as law enforcement in the state or haven't been cops in years. When they picked up their uniforms, the word police was written on the front and the back. Only certified law enforcement who are full-time can wear anything identifying them as police, but these officers say they were told Solaren had an exemption for anyone with connections to a law enforcement agency. In a shocking admission, one guard testified that he just learned that he was listed as a Millersville Police Reserve officer, but he can't even point to Millersville on a map. He said he believes this was done to help justify wearing a police patch. Now, Solaren CEO Jack Bird, who was once accused of buying his way into becoming a Millersville Police Reserve, argues that the law is unclear on who can wear these patches. The guards admit it's confusing for the public.
When you're in an environment such as downtown Nashville, you see a person in a uniform and your first thought is that's a police officer. And if you walk up and that person's wearing a badge and some patches that say police and they're not from the area, they have no idea. They don't know that there is no such entity as the Solaren Police Department, nor has there ever been such entity as the Solaren Police Department. So they think you're a police officer, and in the event of a problem, you're going to be the first person they come to.
The Post Commission that regulates police say they believe Solaren broke the rules and tried to change their police patches after several news stories related to guards posing as cops. If the judge agrees, Solaren could face losing their security guard's license and be charged a fine. We also learned that several of the security guards who testified have also filed class action lawsuits against Bird and Solaren. We will be back in the hearing tomorrow, so stay with us for details. With News Channel 5 Investigates, I'm Levi Ismail.